Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below and join the crew. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. What we've got today is a broken drip line that's underneath the sod. All right, so we use a flathead spade here to just, cut the down through the sod. You don't want to cut very deep because these drip lines are only buried about 4 inches. And then I'll use a, just a little garden shovel there to expose it. So once we've exposed it, we can see here that we've got something impacted it right here. Probably somebody just setting a shovel into the sod because they were doing some other work or something. Oops. Then we've got a cut there, and you can see we've also got a cut right here. So this is just rubber, so we're going to take a heavy pair of scissors, cut this out, and then we'll put in a new piece. What we're going to use is a compression coupler. So what we've done is we're going to put these two couplers together. We've just got a piece of the tubing that we've put in here. We just push it in. Now it should go in about 1 inch. You'll see that there is actually a line. You probably can't see it because it's in relief. So we cut the line here to go between here and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to push it on one side, and then push it on the other. And those lines are flexible, so it shouldn't be that hard to get it in there. Now we'll turn it on again and see if it works. And as you can see here, no leaks. So thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, join the crew. Hit that subscribe button down below. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time one of these cool money-saving tips drops. Here's to smooth sailing.